What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the new channel. Today we're going to be installing a JB4 to the RS3. So this car is basically stock. It's just downpipes. It has no tune. It has mid pipes, catless downpipe. That's it. That's all I've done to the car besides lowering springs and wheel spacers. So we'll get another cold start video for you guys, and then we'll jump into putting the JB4 in. Gotta click it to RS, open the valves. Let's see, there it is. I still have my stock downpipe. Look how big this cat is on this downpipe. The flanges that come with this are like 4 inches, and I need a 5-inch for my downpipe. Don't mind the bumper. The bumper goes to my Subi, which I need to install as well. I've also installed the only carbon piece that I've bought for the car, which is the diffuser. I really love this diffuser. Really need a front lip. Front lip is a need for this car because it changes the whole front end of the car. But here, check out the diffuser. It's all carbon. You see it up close, but completely changes the whole rear end of this car having this diffuser on. The stock diffuser is right here. Look at this wimpy thing. What is that? I think they should have came from factory with a catless downpipe and the carbon diffuser. I think we're gonna go get some Starbucks because it's still pretty early in the morning and I'm tired. I got no sleep last night. So we're gonna go get some Starbucks and then we'll start the day off from there. My buddy Brandon is coming out to help me install the JB4 because I have no idea what I'm doing with those things. And then after that, we're probably gonna go get some lunch and that'll be it. Well guys, we got our Starbucks, like every day. Now we're gonna go to the grocery store, pick up some beer for my buddy who's installing my JB4, because I can't let him go empty-handed. He's doing me too much of a favor. And then we're going back to the house. We'll do an unboxing video of the JB4, and then we'll start installing it. Also gotta do an oil change on this thing because, I don't know, it has no oil even though I did it 2,000 miles ago. I guess downpipe just runs through oil. We're gonna do the unboxing of the JB4. Sorry guys, I don't know what to do with my hands. Alright, here we go. We're gonna see what's inside of this box before my buddy gets here and installs it for me. What are you doing? Get out of here. First time opening the box since it came in. I like the packaging, it's nice. I like how it says JB4 on the box. Alright, your next level, JB4. Performance tuners. Cool. Came some little stickers, I like that. And a little jet tag, that's nice. Cool, probably put that on. Let everybody know I'm JB4 tuned. So, I believe this is your connect kit. I'm not really sure what that's for. He'll tell me whenever he gets here. What is this? No idea. No idea what I'm even looking at right now. But I do believe this is the data cable. I bought the data cable with it, so yeah, I believe that's the data cable. Plugs into your OBD2. Got all the wires, everything. I think everything's already installed into the JB4 itself, which is cool. This product is for competition closed course use only. Alright, cool. Alright guys, JB4 is completely installed. Already took it for a test drive. Did a couple test hits at quarter throttle, half throttle, and then full throttle and launch control. And JB4 is working beautifully. Extra 50 horsepower. Works perfect. Factory install from my buddy Brandon. Shout out to Brandon. Huge time. Really appreciate him for coming out here and doing this. I'll show you guys the engine bay. You can't even tell if there's even a JB4 in here. Looks like a stock motor. So, as you can tell, looks stock. I don't have an intake, it's still stock intake. Everything is tucked. It ran through the firewall beautifully by Brannon. JB4, can't even tell where it's at. Looks completely stock when you're looking at the motor. And then, you look carefully if you know what you're looking at. JB4 sits right here, next to the airbox. All wires are tucked very nicely underneath the airbox. Take off the cover right here. You got your boost sensors all right there. Still can't even tell what's done to the car. Looks completely stuck. Wires are tucked all the way under the airbox, back through the firewall. Looks like a factory motor. So we put the cover back on. We go to the inside of the car. It's crazy how this stuff works. All technology that I'm used to. So we go back down underneath the steering wheel of the car. You have your OBD2. He poked a hole through the firewall, ran all the wires through the firewall. Here's the OBD2, right here. That little port right there. Ran it all up along over there, up in through the firewall. Factory. Can't even tell. Now the car is downpipe and JB4 tuned. So, we'll be doing more videos. Hold on, you know what? We'll be doing more videos, going all the way out to San Clemente. I did launch control in the car. The car has an extra 2 pounds of boost. It's running at 20 PSI right now currently. We'll be driving it all the way out to San Clemente this upcoming weekend for another Cars and Coffee. I probably won't vlog then, but we'll see what happens. I mean, the car runs beautifully. I didn't get any videos of us doing any test hits or anything like that, but I will give you guys a full disclosed video of how the power band feels in the car. It feels amazing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching another video. Be sure to like and subscribe.